Hello, y'all. ProCell Fox here. Today I have a new alarm I picked up. I went to my local hardware store and got it on sale. Kidde 30 CUAR. Not a 900 CUAR. Honestly, for y'all, I know y'all might get a little angry about this, but I honestly think it's a slight improvement over the 900 CUAR. Even though it still lacks the voice and everything, which I know is kind of sad. It's honestly, we're due for an upgrade. All right. All right. We have the wiring harness. We have the manual. Please see manual. The mounting bracket, vastly different from the battery operated models. I don't know why they could have used this. And the smoke detector, smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Oh wow, this was only made a couple months ago. July 8th of this year. So let's pull the tab. Oh wow. Let's test it. That literally sounds almost as high pitch as a, what's it called? A KNCOS B. Let me put it on the bracket. Got it. Got him. Here y'all go. It's not a bad looking alarm. Ooh. It's kind of annoying that they got rid of the old style harness where now you have to get like some sort of $5 adapter. There you go. I might buy another one of these for my house. Anyways, hopefully y'all like this video. Here you go. I got it on. Hopefully y'all like this video. Bye.